So here we have this Viver foldable utility cart. Now, full disclosure, this is a paid review, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, so this thing folds up pretty easily. I can fold it into the flat package in about 10 seconds. And then to unfold it, we just undo these clips, pull it out like this. There's a piece inside that folds down to be the bottom. Then you can pull this handle up and it's ready to use. Or if you want a lid on it, you can pull this piece out here and slide it into here like this. The box on this is pretty much completely made of plastic. Then it has some rubber wheels and the handle is aluminum. Overall, it's super light, and because it's made of plastic, it does feel pretty cheap, but it says it can hold 50 to 80 pounds, so let's go ahead and try that out. I put a 10-pound weight in the bottom and then two 35-pound plates right on top of that. With about 80 pounds in there, it rolled around just fine. If the weight's spread out like it is here, it stays relatively flat and is able to hold the weight. But if you put, say, a bowling ball in here or something with the weight concentrated in one spot, then it's going to put a bit too much stress on the bottom. Because you have to remember that it is just a flat piece of plastic with a little bit of grid-like plastic support. Anyway, like I said, it's really easy to pull around, and these rubber wheels are also pretty quiet. And I also like how it has two handles on either side that make it easy to pick up and carry. Overall, because of its plastic folding design, it's not super sturdy, but for light-duty work like grocery shopping or something like that, where you're not putting a ton of weight in it, I think it'll hold up just fine.